My rendering time is reduced. The ideal is to make wall so that it will not render background far and unknown. Adding the wall is the answer, in closed world. I render this video 2000 frame in 3 hours compared to 500 frame in 3 hours. This time I get the audio correct with distance. If you notice the reflection, it is also image from video instead of world scene image input. I modify my HDB wall into modern design as real hacking cost a lot. This time round I can easily made flooring tiles as I just learned from other tutorial.